Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the device ready. Update iOS and confirm Bgmi runs normally. Once done, secure a stable network and close background apps to avoid lag. Make a quick backup of your current controls and sensitivity in case you need to revert. Now launch Bgmi and enter settings. This is where you apply the iOS 0 profile. Do this before jumping into matches so you can test in training first and avoid disrupting regular gameplay. You now apply the iOS 0 layout. Go to Controls, choose Custom, and import or manually set the iOS 0 arrangement. Next, adjust sensitivity values, camera, ads, and gyro, matching the iOS 0 numbers precisely. These reduce overcorrection and stabilize aim. Make small placement tweaks so buttons align with your thumbs. Once configured, save the profile and hop into training mode to fine-tune recoil and tracking. This step is crucial because raw numbers behave differently across device sizes. Finish by validating the setup through several training matches. Practice hip fire, ads, and full recoil control. Tweak values incrementally, 1 to 3% changes, so you can feel the difference without overshooting. If you notice jitter or drift, recalibrate the gyro in iOS settings or temporarily disable gyro to isolate the problem. Make sure touch sensitivity and screen protector aren't causing issues. If things still go wrong, restore your saved backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.